Today, we're talking about the first step in more detail, which is researching shops in your area. In this step, we want to find shops in your area, do the research on them, and then start prioritizing them with the most desirable shop being at the top of your list. This is a sample of what your research could look like. Locate and list the quality shops in your area. Decide how long of a commute you would consider for a great career, and then begin listing all the shops that are within that area. Do your research on them from their website, from Yelp and other social media sites, and look for what employees and customers are saying about them. As you start doing this research, add notes to your research file and start to rank them in the order of your preference. There is a Google Sheets file you can use linked in the description below the video. Click on the link and open it to start adding your research. It's already set up for you. You just start listing the shops that are in your area and start qualifying them based on the criteria that's important to you. Like how friendly they sound, how happy are their customers, how excited are their employees to be working there. Are they looking for fresh talent to train? For more information, read the description and follow the links below, and watch the next video that digs deeper into the second step on your path to apprenticeship, preparing to make contact.